Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ever wondered how those super organized Notion pages have images, bookmarks, or even text blocks placed side by side? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add things side by side in Notion, the best, most straightforward way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the quickest method to make your Notion pages look cleaner, more organized, and a whole lot more visually appealing. All right, let's jump right in. The key to placing items next to each other in Notion is using what's called a column. Notion doesn't have a visible columns grid like some apps, but it's actually really simple to set up. And once you know how, you'll wonder how you ever managed your pages without it. So, here's how it works. First, click where you want to start your columns. Maybe you've got a blank page, or maybe you want to break up a chunk of text, whatever suits your needs. Now, type a / just the slash key on your keyboard, and then start typing the word column. So that's column. Notion's command menu will pop up matching options as you type, and you should see columns as one of the choices. Go ahead and select that. When you choose columns, Notion automatically splits that area of the page into 2 columns side by side. Think of it like setting up lanes on a track. Each lane can now hold whatever you want independently. If you want more than 2 columns, that's totally doable too. Just drag and drop another block to one side or the other until you get as many columns as you need. This flexibility is one of the little things that makes Notion so powerful. Now, with those columns in place, you can add almost any type of content into each one. For this demo, let's keep things visual and add an image to one column and a web bookmark to the other. To add an image, just click inside your column, type /image, and you'll have the option to upload a photo or paste in an image URL. Pick your favorite photo. It could be a mood board reference, a chart for your project, or just your favorite pet photo for fun. Notion's going to neatly fit that image right in your chosen column. For the next column, let's add a web bookmark. Click into the second column and type web bookmark, then enter the URL you want saved. Notion will instantly turn that plain link into a rich preview. It grabs the title, a little image, and it just looks so much more polished than a bare link. This is great if you're collecting resources for a project, building a research hub, or curating lists you want to visually scan later. One quick thing to mention, if you ever want to adjust the width of your columns, just hover over the space between them until you see that little vertical bar, then click and drag. That lets you fine-tune how much space each column gets, customizing things to fit your style or needs. Don't worry if the layout doesn't snap into place perfectly right away. Notion's drag and drop can be fiddly at first, but give yourself a few tries to get used to it. You'll have your pages looking awesome in no time. That's it. You now know the best way to add columns in Notion, so you can arrange images, links, text, or anything else side by side like a pro. If this tutorial helped, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using columns in Notion, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.